Okay. Now, this is another passage, appendix, dealing with absence in workplace. Workplace means office. Absence means when the people are absent from their job. So how to deal with that? For example, a company, how to deal with absent employees. So the whole passage is about that. Okay. So let's just make a start. We go to the questions. All right. Questions are again one word only. Complete the notes below. Choose one word only. And whenever you get one word only, no more than 2 words in any section, you must start from there. Even if they are the last questions, you need to start from there because they are easy to manage. True, false, not given, and one word only, they are easy to manage. Okay, absence in the workplace. The first title, what is that? Employees' rights. Okay, now employees' rights, and they have mentioned 4 rights. First right is help with issues related to disabilities. For example, now please focus. Provision of are suitable. Now look at me. Provision. For provision, they may use the word provide. For suitable, they may use the word appropriate. Provide and appropriate something. So help with issues related to disabilities. If someone is disabled, they need to provide them special or suitable or appropriate something. Let's go back to the passage. First paragraph. Can you see disabled, disability? Yes. Where? Okay, third line. All right, disabled. So I'm reading it from there. Please follow me. Second paragraph, third line, who are disabled. In these cases means the disabled ones. The employer should consider what reasonable adjustments could be made in the workplace to help the employee. This might be something as simple as supplying an appropriate. Now what is supplying? Provision. What is appropriate? Suitable. And answer is chair. And sometimes you will be surprised with itna sada sa answer. Chair. Why not brown chair? Remember, it's one word only. So correct answer is chair. Question number 22. Provision of arrangements to deal with any work related. Now look here, work related. For work related, they may use the word related to job, job related, related to work, on job dash, something like that. Okay. So provision of arrangements to deal with work related. Now we go back. Questions and answers are in order. Okay. I'm reading it after chair. Got it? Okay, second last line. In cases where an employee suffers from an allergy caused by something in the workplace. What does it mean? Work-related allergies. It's singular. Work-related allergy. Now, please listen carefully. For work-related, they've used the word caused by something in the workplace. That means work-related. And answer is allergy. Yeah. Answer will be one word, allergy. Okay, question number 23. Time off work. What is off work? Yeah, when you're not working. Time off work to deal with short-term problems of. Underline short-term problems of. Off means related to what? Problems related to what? Short-term problems of what? Let's go back. Okay, related to short-term problems of. Okay, so which paragraph is that? Second paragraph, very good. Like it's the third one actually, but anyways. If the absence is because of temporary difficulty relating to dependents. Got it? Very simple and easy. If the absence is because of temporary difficulties, what is the word for temporary? Short term. And what is the word for difficulties? Problems. And answer is dependents. And when you write the spelling of dependents, be careful, it's with A. D-E-P-E-N-D-A-N-T-S. Sometimes write D-E-N-T-S. Dependents. So correct answer is dependent. Alright, question number 24. Possibility of arrangements that are. Answer should be no, because arrangements is already plural. So that are something. Possibility of arrangements that are dash to help with domestic responsibilities. Now, domestic responsibilities. Let's go back to the same paragraph. Okay, third paragraph, third line. Alright, I'm reading it from third line after 1996. Found it? Okay. In cases where the employee has difficulty managing both work and home responsibilities, employees have the right to request what? Flexible ways of working. Now what will be the answer? Flexible ways of working, they are 4 words. So out of 4 you got to select 1 word. So possibility of arrangements that are flexible to help with domestic responsibilities. And be careful when you copy the spelling of flexible. Flexible. Okay. Question number 25. Recommendations to employers. Make it clear that absence is a possible reason for. Now, say, if you are absent from work, it can be the reason for something. Now, let's go back. Absence is a possible reason for. Okay. Yeah, it's the last paragraph. Absence is the, yeah. 4th line. Okay, let's read from 2nd line. In order to show, 2nd line. In order to show both the employee concerned and other employees that absence is regarded as serious matter and may result in dismissal. Now, what is the word for may result in? Yeah, exactly. For may result in, they've written possible reason for. Reason for an answer is dismissal. Dismissal means like that person can be dismissed from his office. Okay. Question number 26, please. Ask employees for consent before contacting their employees. You need their permission. Consent means permission. Ask employees for their permission before contacting their something. So same paragraph. Alright, I'm reading it from here. Records showing. Found it? 5th line. Everyone? 5th line, last paragraph. Records showing lateness and the duration of an explanations for a spells of absence should be kept to help monitor levels of absence or lateness. If the employer wishes to contact the employee's doctor for more information about a medical condition, he or she must notify the employee. Notify the employee means you need employee's permission to contact what? Doctor. To contact employee's doctor. So correct answer is doctor. Okay, question number 27, please. Identify employees affected by something. Identify employees affected by and provide support. So affected by, identify, find the employees who are affected by something. Okay, last paragraph. Last line. Okay, I'm reading it from 3rd last line. Please follow me. Last paragraph, 3rd last line. Consideration should be given to introducing measures to help employees regardless of status or seniority who may be suffering from stress. The aim should be to identify employees affected and encourage them to seek help and treatment. Treatment of what? Stress, absolutely. So correct answer is stress. Good.